What's up YouTube, and welcome back to the DIY Beard. Today, something a little different for you. We're going to have a look at adjusting the suspension on a Ducati 848. Now if you haven't already done so, please do go and hit the subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you get notified of every time we release a video. But let's crack on to my dad's garage and let's have a go with this Ducati. Come on, Kit. Good girl. Good dog. So ladies and gentlemen, this is my dad's Ducati 848 in pearl white, and what a beauty she is. So the aim of today is we are looking at setting up his suspension. We went on a ride probably a few days ago and the rear is really stiff. Apparently what we're looking for is even tread wear around the rear tyre, and then if you see the chicken strip there is a lot more, so we kind of need to get that balanced out. So we've got some general mass. Luckily my dad's really good with that because it will peck my head. So what we're going to do is we'll put you to one side and we'll take you all over. Now before we get into all this, I know you guys are going to be asking about the bike and some of the specs. I'm going to try and steal this at some point because I definitely want to have a quick go at it and have a blast. She's obviously going to go a lot faster than the XV, let's face it. And then we'll do a bit of a walk around as well on the bike because there are a few little added extras, as you can see, that aren't generally stock on a Ducati 848. But that's enough of me talking. Let's get some tools out and set a suspension up. So this is a front forks. You need 30%
of
what's already there.
Of the maximum travel.
Okay.
And the maximum travel from the manual is 127 mil.
Right.
So we want 30% of that with me on the bike.
So at the moment we're already at what travel are we at? So you've got how much? 10% did we say?
No. So measure the travel.
Right. So natural stance is 100 and I've got 107.
107 millimetres.
107 millimetres.
Okay.
So you're at 107 millimetres just based on that.
So with me on the bike, we want it to be around about 90 millimetres. So we need to lose 17 millimetres.
Okay. So you sit on the bike.
Just take me.
Okay. So you're now sat on. Say you're about 91.
91.
Yeah.
It's not far off then, is it?
No. I reckon you were more before because we hadn't taken into account your suspension was stiff, you hadn't used it for a while.
So 9. So the front seems to be right.
Okay. So your front setup from factory, that kind of works. But your back end, there's very little play.
Yeah.
So what's your back end got to be?
So we want to measure the actual travel now. So the way you do that is, so if we measure, when I put the bike upright,
Yeah.
without me on, if you measure from there to that rivet, because you've got to go from the centre to a fixed point, so if you go to that rivet when the bike's upright, and then measure that again with me on it,
Yeah.
and with me on it, we should see 40 millimetre difference.
Right. So from stock, from there to there, measure it, and you need 40 mil difference.
When I'm on it, yeah.
Okay, so what measurement have you just had?
And you need to do it when the bike's upright.
Okay. Sound.
Just go from the centre of the crash bung to that rivet.
Yeah.
And then I'll put my weight on. Well, let's just okay, right now.
I'd go you're about 550.
550. So I want to lose 40 mil off that. So 515. That should be
435.
475.
475.
Okay, go with that then.
No, 565.
515. I want to go less. What's it at now?
So you're at about 490. About 493.
What was it before?
515.
515. 515 to
So
493. So 493.
This is where your math's going to be better than mine.
That's given us 7. 22. 22. So I need to take some of that preload
Off
off, yeah,
to make it softer.
to make it softer, yeah.
I'll try get in. So it's just C-span it.
And there's a locking ring
So
and an adjustment ring.
have you already undone your locking
No.
ring?
I'm just doing it now.
Is it only in suspension as well?
No.
Share we?
Yeah, the Ducati. She's up again. You just take the same measurement. Should be 515 here. Yeah. Right, we get on. This should go down more now. You ready?
Yeah. That was noticeable difference. So you're at 480. No, centre of that rivet is 490.
490, so we've gone down 3 mil.
So you're in the
So
right.
that's 25, so it's going the right way. It's just not easy to make the adjustment because you can't get in with this silly C-span. Sorry to dish your tool.
Well, let's not blame the C-spanner. Let's blame your frame.
Yeah, well, it is, it's the frames anyway.
So the overall aim was to drop it by, what, 30% at the front and 30% at the rear?
Well, that's what the standard setting should be.
And that's what factory recommends for you?
That's what everybody recommends.
That's what everybody recommends for the 848 or...
For all bikes.
30, for all bikes.
25 to 30%
okay.
rider sag.
And what are we at the front then?
We are about 27%, so we're midway.
So you're midway, so that's fine. Rear, we've just come in at, so you ended up
about 25% on the rear.
So you're at the bottom end on the rear.
Yeah.
But we've almost maxed out your preload. It looks like it's moving a lot more. It was weight that barely moved the first time we put you on it.
Yeah, it did feel hard when we rode the other day.
The Fireblade feel better. That seems stiffer than that.
The front seems stiffer on the Fireblade. Yeah, but we have made a change, so what we can do is take it out for another ride one evening, and
yeah, we'll go and test it.
But I've checked the damping and compression and rebound damping for both front and back, and they're both within factory set specs. So just check them for my particular riding style.
Granddad style. I mean, she's nice, Dad. She's nice. Very, very nice.
So